Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I literally just got my Boxycharm Premium. I don't know what happened. This is my first time getting the Premium box. I haven't gotten Boxycharm in like almost 3.5 years. So, and I just got the base box. That was like before Premium and Luxe and all that kind of stuff. So, yeah. So, anyway, and it's blue on the inside. All right, let's go over the items. So, it's the Express Yourself for Pride Month. Okay, so we didn't have to get through all the annoying boxes. I opened everything. So first we have the Sandbar Long Wear Eyeshadow Primer. This in Sandlight. It looks kind of like it's separating like a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that. I haven't had a lot of luck with eyeshadow primers. This seems kind of milky. I hope it doesn't crease. Okay. I've had a doe foot one since I had my NARS one. Okay, so it's like white. My go-to eyeshadow primers are the Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer and the Milani Eyeshadow Primer. The only skin on my face that is oily, except for it looks a little shiny right now, is on my eyes. Everything else is dry. So, but I will try this out. So that is $28. It says it's a sheer and creamy intensifying eyeshadow base that adds staying power, full pigment richness to your eyeshadow, resulting in high definition, crease defying color, and long lasting wear. It's a new brand of Boxycharm. I will try it out and get back to you on that. And then I've never tried anything from Patrick Ta. Pretty rose gold. It is the Patrick Ta Major Volume Mascara. I'm excited. Who doesn't like bougie mascara? And that was $29. Again, new brand of Boxycharm. An intensely black, ultra dramatic mascara, double custom cut brush combs through and loads your lashes for the ultimate volume, lift, and definition. I like voluminous lashes. This mascara from Essence is like $5. So we'll see. So far, this is the only product that I'm like, I know everybody would probably be happy about this, but it's not vegan. It is from Natasha Denona, the Cupid eyeshadow palette. It has carmine in it. I'm like, ugh. I would love to try Natasha Denona, but this is not, first of all, not my colors at all. The reds, so this is like more like a red. There we go. The other colors are like, whatever. But so I might give this to like my mom or my mother-in-law or something. It feels really nice and like heavy, but I'm not going to use it. $48 for this too. Ugh. I wanted the Tresique palette. Maybe I'll get that in the drop shop if they have it. That looks really pretty. Like my kind of colors, and it's vegan. And it's magnetic. So that will be a nice gift. And I haven't touched it or anything. Oh, pisses me off. And then I'm excited about this. I haven't tried anything from Dominique Cosmetics. Look how cute the box is too. Like it's really nice, glossy. It is their cream blush in Warm Peach, which is totally my colors. That one, it looks, by the way, it looks brighter. Oh, it's not like, there we go. That's the color. Looks so nice. What's it here? It says like, soft yet powerful, like that. Love the packaging. I cannot wait to wear that tomorrow. And their whole line is vegan. So I'm excited to try that. And then we have, this is interesting. It's by Shadow Moon Reusable Shadow Shield for fast and flawless eye makeup application. Are these like silicone or? They're reusable, so we like that. The blush is $22. And it has hyaluronic acid, buildable, looks beautiful. Ooh. Oh, this is. Ooh, that's gonna be like easy to get like a wing. Okay, that's cool. Looks like a cutlet or like. Okay, enough of that. So $15. Sandbar is a new brand to Boxycharm. The Dominique Cosmetics, I think they had the primer. Again, Boxycharm is new to me. So I'm excited for this though. It's supposed to catch eyeshadow fallout and create a straight edge. So yeah, that's gonna be maybe a little easier for wings and stuff. And you can use it as an eye cooler. Ooh. Okay, at first I thought this was like, oh man, it's a throwaway, but I like it actually. We will try that out. And then the last and final product, look at this big bad boy. So this is from Chorus. I need to double check if it's cruelty-free. It says it's vegan. Poreless Skin Cream. Santorini grape, salicylic acid, smooth and balanced. It is a big boy in there. A lightweight cream that clears the way for poreless skin with antioxidant rich Santorini grape for balanced all day hydration. So it's a moisturizer. Okay. Good, fancy. Ooh. And this is $36. Okay, it's not too bad. Ooh, that's fun. Look at that. This is big. Like, I think it's glass, yeah. You hear that? Mama loves moisturizers. Ooh, look at that. Bougie. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's the kind of moisturizer, like real thick. It just smells kind of like a lotion. I don't know, like almost like a suntan lotion, but not like super strong. I am excited about that. So, I like everything. I would like this, but this is just so, again, good for a gift. So, my mother-in-law would probably never buy herself a $48 palette, and who doesn't want Nashasha Nona except for me. So, overall, good for the first month. And then, I'm kind of pissed at myself. So, for next month, I picked out my product. Well, you could pick, so for the premium box, you could pick 2 products, but it went so fast. So I got the first one that I wanted. And then the second one, I thought I wanted the body cream because I wasn't really into the lipstick. It was like a dark brown, which is beautiful, but just, I'm not gonna wear it. So I thought like, oh yeah, the body cream would be great because then they had a facial spray and I'm like, I don't really need a facial spray and it's rose. So me and rose, it depends. I have very sensitive skin and I don't do well with fragrance. So, but I lost out because the body lotion has honey in it. So I'm gonna give it to my friend, and then my friend got the brow gel from Persona Cosmetics and it's not her color. So what you're gonna do is switcheroo. But yeah, that is what I got. Let me know what you got in your box, or what you wanted to get, or what you want to get in your next box. I'm Vegan Brie. I talk all things beauty, for the most part, vegan and cruelty-free beauty. If that's something that you like, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.